In the competitive landscape of enterprise businesses, efficiency isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. Why rely on traditional methods when you can have real time, data driven responses at your fingertips? In this event, we will cover LLMs, vector databases, and different cloud options. We will cover how to create a LLM based application using the most popular LangChain framework. We will cover different generative AI use cases. For example, in e-commerce, instead of doing keyword search, you can do semantic search and ask a detailed question, and it brings you back the right result. Also, similarly for internal application, you can have more meaningful search experiences and many more live demos. Join us for a great session and some fun games. See you there.